Yeah, welcome to the theater table. All right, so the system is still very much on. It's still on, but no display. It's on, no display on the screen. Okay, no display is on. So let's power it off. All right, try to shut it down. Yeah, so it's off. Okay, yeah, that is put off. Hold on, let's see. Well, actually want to confirm the fact that is relating with the super IO chip, right? Yeah, so it's off. So the power button is truly relating with the super IO chip, all right? So yeah, let's quickly lose it to see why it did not display. Quickly have to lose it, okay? We'll lose it and then we'll make check physical assessment on it. Remember your clue when you're losing your system, all right? The clue, check out for visible screws that you can see and carefully lose it or screw before to make your decoupling easy, all right? Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I want to add to this as a beginner, or perhaps so many engineers have made that mistake. This particular system is when you're done or removing the screw, first thing to do, or what you need to do, is to lift it up from this end, all right, from this other end, and not this end, because there are actually keys that are holding it down here in order not to break that key, so you don't come from this end to pull it. So we are going to lift it up from here. Okay, yeah, you can see these are the screw. Once you try to remove it this way, all of this key will break out. Yeah, so let's first discharge our battery, all right, before we can even start doing anything. We have to remove the battery. It's an inbuilt battery, you know. Yeah, so a battery is disconnected. It's connected, so we will have to remove it, and then we'll do physical assessment on the motherboard. If there are physical damage, you can see, all right, perhaps you can see any physical damage. Sorry, that's a call. Yeah, I have to quickly finish this. Yeah, so carefully take out the battery and then we'll do some physical checking. Let's see if there's any damage on the board. Perhaps a short or a bridge, physical damage. That's what you should check out for before you may even want to take your readings. Yeah, I'm saying something here. Now we may have to turn it the other way. Look at the flex, the screen flex. This may just be the reason why it's not displaying. We never can tell. So look closely, please. Here, right here, you can see rust, a form of carbon. Okay, can you see this? This is actually the screen flex. So I will remove it now. Then look at the legs. All of it is bridged. All of the screen flex legs are bridged. Just look at it from this other end. Look at, all right. So compare this to this. You see, yeah, this side is actually okay, but this place, you see here, even to this little capacitor here is bridged. So I wouldn't know if mere cleaning off this carbon will help with it, or perhaps if there is any serious damage. So I'll have to remove the motherboard, remove the flex, and then do a little cleaning before we can confirm the display aspect again. All right, so join me. Let's take out the flex. All right. I'm very sure the flex is still very okay. It just the bridge there. So let's clean it. Okay. I'm just trying to save the screen from any damage, so keep it like that. Yeah, let's clean. We may just be lucky. After cleaning, it may just work, or gently clean off the carbon. All right. Gently clean it off. We may just be lucky that the carbon has not really eaten so much, so let's clean first, and then we'll test it to see if it is going to work. Okay. There might just be hope. Yeah, we'll have to clean the groove, the inner groove. All right, just so there's any carbon in there, we'll clean it out. It will go out. So yeah, we may need to clean this one, this edge, right? Need to brush it. Okay. You know, these works are very sensitive, so you have to be careful when you are dealing with them. Yeah, so we're going to heat it. All right, so just heat it a little, and then we connect to see if it's going to display. We on the machine now. Let me quickly plug the machine, and then here we go. The machine is ready. Yes, let's quickly heat it up. Yeah, careful in order not to heat up plastics. All right. My prayer right now What's your prayer right now? That this thing should work like this, right? No further work. Just let it work with this work we've done. This cleaning. Job made easy. Yeah, I think this is enough. So we'll wait, allow it to get cool. Okay. Let it cool off. We wait for it to cool off a little, and then we'll test it. Let's see. We don't know yet, but from what I'm seeing here, let me say just let's give it 50-50. Let's give it 50-50. Oh, let's say 50-60-40. 50-40 assurance. Yeah. So it's cool off now. Let's connect it and then test. Connect and test. All right. Be sure is well connected. Alright. So we take it back and then test. So quickly plug in our charger, alright? Ah, God, let it display. Yeah. Okay. So the system is on. Let's see if it's going to display. We'll wait for it. Yeah, you can see that it's on. All right. The fan is currently blazing, but no display yet. Oh, our system is displaying, but I think it's displaying inside. It's displaying inside. Yeah, I don't know if you can see. It's showing inside. That's another issue. Showing inside. So yeah, so we will just want to stop here and then we'll continue on the next stage.